For saving reels on Facebook, just go to three dot icon, then click Save Reel. Now we will go how to see your saved reels on Facebook. Just go to your Facebook profile, then click Reels, then click Save Reels. Here you can see your saved reels. If you want to see your saved reels, just click in here, then you will see your saved reels. You will also unsave your reel. Just click three dot, then click unsave. Now we will see how to see your recent activity on Facebook. Just like this, go to your Facebook profile, then you will see three dot icon. Click in here, then click activity log. Here you will see your recent activity on Facebook.